Hello everyone and welcome back to 55 Degrees North as we wrap up another incredible year, exploring the history, culture, events and the ever-changing landscape of Newcastle upon Tyne and the North East. I wanted to take a moment to say something very important. Merry Christmas and a very happy New Year for 2026 to all of you, my amazing subscribers, supporters and new viewers discovering the channel for the first time. Your comments, likes, messages and enthusiasm for the stories of our region generally keep this channel going. From uncovering hidden history, to following the latest construction and restoration projects, to celebrating what makes the North East unique, it's been an incredible journey to share it all with you. This year, we've seen some fantastic progress across the region, new developments rising, historic buildings being brought back to life, and cultural events that truly captured the spirit of the North East. Whether we're strolling through Newcastle's historic streets, exploring coastal towns, or checking out major infrastructure updates, you've been right there with me. And the journey is far from over. In 2026, expect even more deep dives into our region's past, more on-the-ground updates from construction and restoration sites, and more celebrations of the people, places and stories that make the North East unforgettable. So from me here at 55 Degrees North, thank you for supporting the channel, thank you for being part of this growing community, and thank you for sharing your passion for the North East. Have a wonderful Christmas, enjoy the break with friends and family, and here's to an exciting, inspiring and history-filled new year ahead. See you in 2026, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired and stay proud of the North East. A massive thank you for watching, and I will see you next time, right here on 55 Degrees North.